Welcome to Atomic Domain, your ultimate source for deep insights into science and technology. If you love exploring the future of AI, space, and innovation, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more groundbreaking content. Artificial intelligence (AI) is transforming the world at an unprecedented pace, automating tasks that were once considered exclusive to human expertise. From customer service to data analysis, AI is reshaping industries and rendering many jobs obsolete. However, according to Bill Gates, there are 3 professions that AI is unlikely to replace anytime soon. These careers require human creativity, problem-solving, and decision-making skills that even the most advanced AI struggles to replicate. Let's explore these resilient professions and why they are crucial in an AI-dominated future. 1. Coders and AI programmers. Ironically, one of the safest professions in the age of AI is directly related to AI itself: software development and coding. While AI can assist in writing code, debugging software, and automating certain programming tasks, human expertise remains indispensable. The development, maintenance, and ethical considerations of AI systems require human intervention. Coders will play a pivotal role in shaping AI's capabilities, ensuring that technology evolves in ways that align with societal needs and ethical standards. The demand for AI specialists, software engineers, and cybersecurity experts is expected to grow exponentially as AI becomes more integrated into everyday life. 2. Energy experts. The global energy sector is facing one of the most complex transformations in human history. As the world shifts towards renewable energy, sustainability, and smart grids, human energy experts will be in high demand. Bill Gates believes that while AI can optimize energy consumption and predict efficiency patterns, it cannot replace the strategic decision-making required in energy policy, infrastructure development, and crisis management. The ability to innovate, manage large-scale energy transitions, and balance economic and environmental concerns makes this field irreplaceable by AI. Energy experts will be the key players in solving the world's climate challenges and ensuring a sustainable future. 3. Biologists and medical researchers. Despite AI's advancements in healthcare such as diagnosing diseases, analyzing medical data, and even assisting in drug discovery, biologists and medical researchers remain irreplaceable. The field of biology requires not just data analysis, but also deep scientific intuition, experimental research, and innovative problem solving. AI can assist in processing massive amounts of genetic information or simulating drug interactions, but the creative and ethical aspects of biological research still require human intelligence. The ongoing pursuit of cures for diseases, vaccine development, and breakthroughs in genetics will continue to rely heavily on human expertise. Adapting to an AI-driven future, Bill Gates' insights highlight an essential truth. While AI will revolutionize industries and replace many jobs, it will also create new opportunities. The key to thriving in this new era is adaptability. Individuals should focus on developing skills in technology, energy, and biological sciences, ensuring they remain relevant in an ever-changing job market. Emphasizing creativity, problem-solving, and critical thinking will be the defining factors in securing a future-proof career. AI is here to stay, but human ingenuity remains irreplaceable. Those who harness the power of AI while mastering fields that require human expertise will lead the way in shaping the future. Thanks for watching Atomic Domain. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one.